Hi everyone, welcome to Online Learners. Today we learn about that keyword parameter, that is post keyword parameter class. So we can see the one by one every parameter in the next session. So we can see the in this session the class keyword parameter. So let's take quick recap of previous session, that is keyword parameters. The keyword parameters are parameters that do not require a fixed position. We can already see that the keyword parameter has not required any fixed position, that we are taken after that positional parameter, that keyword parameters are optional and that are in not order. If we are coding the keyword parameter in any order, so we are not getting any error, any JCL error. And keyword parameter that we are have format, that is a palm parameter equals to value, and after that comma. So every keyword parameter has some name, after that equal sign and addition those values and commas, and after that it will be maybe any order, after that position of arguments, and the code of any keyword parameter. So for statement in any order, that parameter filled after that position parameter, so it will not fix the keyword parameter has the fixed position. So this is the keyword parameters. The next we can take the class parameter first. So exactly what is class parameter? First of all, the class parameter is a keyword parameter. Class parameter defines an input class in a scheduled job. That means jobs that runs in the one OS installation. Means class parameter JCL is used to categorize the jobs that runs in OS installation. OS means operating system installation. During that installation itself, all class parameters are defined with the specific attributes. Okay, that attributes means that decides whether it is a short range or it is a long range, how to run that job. So it will shows that the attributes. Okay, this indicates that the type of job submitted to that for that system. So it is used to tell the operating system about the nature of job which we are submitting. It defines a special constant value available to all objects of a given class. When you create a class definition or at any point before compilation, you can set a values its class parameter, correct? So we are setting some values for that class, the specific input class for a job scheduler. So this keyword is for means it's keyword and it is optional to code. When it is not given, means class parameter, we are not giving the class parameter, so OS assign a default class for that job. So class parameter whether it is a long or short running job. So the class parameter, it is used to classify the job. The classification is based on how much time they are running, like that short run or long run jobs. The class parameter is a keyword parameter, is optional, like that we already said that is a keyword parameter. These different classes represent the different type of jobs and will, depending on installation, describe the job characteristics like CPU time usage and other resource constraints. Nature of jobs, that is short running CPU time, long running, large resources means large resource means step days. It is depending on that characteristics. So we are already seeing it is a keyword parameter. It is optional. It is depending on installation means have the short running or long running, or it is dependent. So exactly what is the purpose we are using the class? This parameter helps to balance the load of the job that are executing in environment. It also helps to prioritize the job execution. System consider the priority parameter along with class to decide the job priority. Okay. So exactly what is syntax of that class parameter? So class equals to job class value. After that comma and another keyword parameter. So our syntax of class parameter, that is a class keyword, after that equal to sign and that job class value. The job class can be either this value listed below in any character from A to Z and any number, that is 0 to 9, means it is a alphanumeric character. Okay, first of all please remember this thing कि class has only single alphanumeric or single numeric character value. It is only one byte of character value. So it is namely at A to Z or 0 to 9. Okay, this parameter assigns a class to a job. Okay, so after that means a letter from A to Z or a number from 0 to 9, it all about it all 36 classes A to Z, after that 0 to 9. The number of means A to Z, that means a 26 characters, and after 0 to 9 that means a 10 numbers, and that equals to 36 classes. Means the job class affect the jobs preceding in this way कि when the job is submitted it is placed in an input queue where it waits to be executed. Queue can be thought of the waiting in line for jobs. Each job class its own input queue. Job wait in the input queue until it's selected by an initiator to be processed. Each initiator is set to a list of job classes, and that it can be selected from simply input from job identifies the nature of the job कि that job has short running or long running. That means short resource utilization simply. Okay, there is a first scenario that is key. Assume that the below jobs are using for the same file processing. Same file processing means job name has same, using the same file, input has same, job name is same, everything has same. So it will happen कि what will happen exactly कि job 1 start executing first because it is first in row, and after that job 2 will be on hold, and job 1 is execution is completed. After that job 2 is start execution. Okay, that is our first question. What will happen if both jobs are submitted at same time? Job 1 starts executing first, after that job 2 will be on hold. Once job 1 execution is completed, then job 2 starts with execution. Okay, so after that, why class parameter? Why we are using class parameter? What is the purpose of that class parameter? I know we are clearing with the class parameter, but this question is also required कि let's assume कि two jobs are submitted at the same time. Okay, and those are using the same set of files. Among those two jobs, one job complete in 1 minute and other job take 10 minutes. If there is no classification, it is ambiguous to predict the results. Both jobs may be in the hold contention for the same resource. Okay, so class parameter avoid the contention by running the shortest job first and assigning a priority class value and long running job trigger to next. So there will be no contention. Okay, if there is a class value has also same. And there is one more option ki if we are not giving the class value, so how will get the class parameter details? The class parameter definition can change from project to project. In some project, class value has A, may be assigned to short term jobs, and other projects may be assigned to class equals to A, that long term project. It is always advisable to check with your team lead, system operation and production support teams to get the class parameter. This is applied to the production job also. So this is all about the class parameters. We can see on the next session, that is a message class. If you have any queries related to this parameter, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely help you. Thank you.